Hey everyone, I've had several different comments about some of the axe throwing range that I built, and today I thought what I would do is just show you a little bit. Let me show you some of the things that, different types of things that I've bought and I use. These are the real kind of, almost a Tomahawk. They're great to throw with. I'll show you how they work. I actually think I threw them in one of the previous videos, but they stick just about all the time. Check this out. These are easy to throw. There's a range right here. I'm going to show you this a little bit better. See if I can hold these. Do this at the same time. All right. You can aim pretty good with them. They will stick just about no matter what. Group them pretty good. Well, I say that it didn't stick. And a lot of it just takes practice. But it's always easy to find them in the pine straw too. I've put a couple of things down out here that help me be able to find it a little bit better. Try that again. All right, we'll get a little bit better. All right, you can really zing them along too and stay accurate. But pretty awesome. Tomahawks work great. Highly recommend those. Let's see what's here. Alright, I'll try these out. There's some knives. I bought these. These are Smith & Wesson knives, throwing knives. They're pretty good. I just don't use them as much. Doesn't mean they don't work well. I prefer the Tomahawks. I'll try the knives here. Let's see. Usually you just got to find out. It all boils down to the right distance to the board and kind of your pattern that you're throwing. Let's see, try it again. Step back just a touch. There, see that one stuck. It just depends on, so not as much hit rate for me on these as the axes. Let's see here. Let's try these others. I also have some of these little bitty knives. Now these are harder to find in the pine straw if you let them go under the pine straw. So make sure that they're marked like these with red or something. I'll see that one stuck. That's good. That one's stuck. Oh, they're so little. Here we go. So the hit rate on those is just not as much. Try a couple more of those just to see if I can get a couple more stick. And they're really small. I mean, you can see how the size of them. Yep. All right. Well, some of it may just be me overthrowing it. So these stick pretty good. You can see the board's been worn pretty good. One more. I will look for it shortly. See, that's part of it. If you get them in the pine straw, it can be hard to find. And these are some of the larger axes. Let's see if we can do these. All right. All right, here we go. 3 of these big guys. All right, here we go. That's a good one. See the. All right. So these throw pretty good too. All right, and you can get a lot more accurate. Just take your time. And that's really what I was trying to show you here today. A lot of different types you can buy. Look for them if you lose them. Make sure that you're doing it in an area where you can pick them all up, or use a metal detector if you lose them. Probably the easiest way to do it. Hope you have fun. Hope this helps. If you like it, subscribe. See you next time.